Yep, a vlog, a vlog. I haven't done a vlog in seriously so long so that I'm actually pregnant now since my last vlog. I am 28 weeks pregnant to be exact. So bump check, 28 weeks pregnant. I got some stuff I want to vlog about this week. I got some, like, you know, updates and check-ins and just stuff I gotta do around the house and cleaning makeup rooms and organizing, and oh my goodness. Okay, you want to know what's up? You want to know the dealio? Yesterday I realized I was 28 weeks pregnant, which means I'm in my first week of my third trimester. Okay, yeah, haven't done anything yet for baby that is coming. I mean, granted, I told myself I would just wait until after the holidays to start, you know, figuring it out, doing all of that stuff, but then I was like, wait, third trimester? Oh. Oh man, oh my goodness, that is like coming up. If she's early, just like my first daughter was, that means 38 weeks. You know, that's like right at the time that they can be born and everything's a-okay. And so I should plan on 38 weeks just in case. And that makes it 9 to 10 weeks left, baby. Flip you guys around. So basically, what have I done to prepare for baby that's coming pretty soon? Nothing really. And I got to get my tushy in gear. I got to get going. So things on the list for this weekend, I guess I'm just going to vlog this weekend. I don't know. My daughters are going to be sharing a bathroom. It's like a Jack and Jill, so I need to make room for baby in that room. The filming room that I film in is also the guest room and also what's going to be the baby's room. So I don't know what I'm going to be doing for my filming room anymore, but I'm going to be, I don't know, I'm not in a rush necessarily, but I just want to get like a good landing area because my daughter stayed in our room for the first 6 months, but I still had her room to do like naps and, you know, her clothes and everything like that, knickknacks, things. So I still need to get my head in the game and figure that out in some way, some form or fashion. So, you know, if that sounds fun to you, then join me as I go through that and go through my makeup area and deal with that. The crib I've kind of been using as like a landing zone, so I need to get it all thoroughly cleaned out and ready. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna use the crib right away, but for my own peace of mind, I need to get things going and I need to get on it. I also need to de-Christmasify my house because Christmas is up and I got to take it down, and that way, that'll help me feel a little less like cluttered. Not that the Christmas is cluttered, but I don't feel like I can bring the baby's stuff out and bring all my daughter's stuff for when she was a baby. I don't feel like I can bring it out until all the Christmas stuff is gone. So I'm out of breath already. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, are you ready? Here is the room in question that needs to be organized. It's a little embarrassing just because it's just so chaotic. It's so crazy. I had like a TikTok I was filming over there. That's my backdrop as you guys see. That's where I sit and do my makeup, all my lights and everything. I got backdrops over there. That is some baby stuff that we've gotten that I've just thrown on the guest bed, as well as some other things I've thrown on the guest bed. It's just a disarray. And then this is the part that I'm really embarrassed about. This is baby's crib, okay? You know, it's been in here for a couple years. It's just become a landing zone and I need to get my act together. So, you know, if you want to see me get my act together, then let's do it. What is this? Why do I have this? The thing about boxes and me, sometimes it's hard to get rid of a box because it seems like a good box, or I need it for like future filming or whatever, but I don't need this one. What is my problem? So many individual lashes and I don't use them anymore. So what do I do with them? I don't know. Okay, time to tackle all this makeup I need to put away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly, watch some YouTube or something. And let's watch the magic happen in 3, 2, 1. Ah, wow, so much better. So I actually set up my station for tomorrow, which is going to be a new products from Elf video, and I am ready to rock and roll. So much more satisfying, so much better. This is a look at my, filming setup, which I have always linked down in the description box. If you want to see what exactly I use, you can check it out on my Amazon storefront. Yes, yeah, I really need to figure out what I want to do for backgrounds, once baby's here, because I've been loving this background setup and stylizing it each video and making it custom. I don't know what to do. Oh, I gotta think real hard. Among the many things that I am thinking about and researching and just dealing with right now, as far as like home things go, our Keurig machine we've had since we got married. I think it's almost 8 years now, and it's been on its last leg for a bit. I talked about it on my Insta stories. So I'm currently on the hunt for a new coffee machine. We not only have the Keurig that's dying, but we also have what's called the Nestle Dolce Gusto something. We got bait and switched on that because we bought it a couple years ago at the mall when they had this big kiosk, and the coffee was so good. Well, maybe like a few months later, Nestle decided to like make it really hard to buy those coffee pods. So that was a ripoff. So I want to get an espresso machine because it basically does what the Dolce Gusto does. For coffee, we are more like, not dessert coffee drinkers, but treat coffee drinkers at home. I don't drink caffeine, so this may seem like a waste to some of you that I even care, but I do care. I really, really love coffee. I just can't drink caffeine anymore. I mean, not even just about pregnancy, but not being, even when I'm not pregnant, I don't drink caffeine because I get the shakes, I get anxiety, I get these weird pains in my side. It's not fun. So I drink caffeinate, so I drink decaf and teas and things. So I want to get an espresso machine because this is exactly what's going on with my machine. This has been going on for 2 minutes. Do you hear that? Oh, no. That ain't gonna work. Okay, that's been going on for a couple minutes now. It's not good, man. So I think I narrowed it down last night to 2. I'm trying to think of doing, I think I'm going to be doing the Vituro, either the Next or the Plus. It's hard to decide which one to get. The Plus seems older, an older model. The Next seems like the newest model. I'm just trying to find a good deal, man. So that'll take up way less counter space. The coffees look incredibly delicious. The crema, I can't wait. I want it right now. Okay. Anyways, I'm trying to just make myself a nice cup of decaf coffee to enjoy with my protein bar. These are the protein bars that I love, the Go Macro bars. They are so delicious. They're like not hard. They're soft, malleable, really. There's nothing worse than getting a protein bar and you can't bite into it. So just a little snack, to get me through, a little snacky snack time. Let's check on my coffee though. Okay. That's the best it's gonna do on a full pour. A little less than normal. It's just being very weird, man. That looks really good. I'm super happy with the bathroom now. And then I can shift things around too as I remember what babies need. I'm kind of done for the day. My tummy's feeling really heavy. I can usually only do things for a couple hours and then I'm maxed out. So I'm gonna de-Christmify the house tomorrow and we'll check that out and then see if there's anything else I can do. We'll see how I feel. We'll play it by ear. Okay, good morning. So it is Sunday. I am just about to wash my face, getting ready to, I think I'm gonna film first. I need to film that Elf new stuff video, so I'm gonna be doing that. Then depending how I'm feeling, I will start taking the Christmas stuff down. I mean, I have to do the Christmas tree today because, what is it, CR&Rs, whatever, they're doing a Christmas tree pickup, and I need to be able to take the ornaments and stuff down so my husband can take the tree out of the house. So I need to do at least that. I am also super excited because I found, this is on my phone now that I'm filming just for this part. I found this like little attachment for my tripod that puts my phone on there, which I thought I was gonna have to order, and then I remembered that I had it. So I'm so excited because I'm trying to think of like tech gear that I can get to make my life easier when baby's here and more functional. So like if I'm not able to do a YouTube video, maybe I can jump on Instagram stories or make like a quick makeup TikTok or something that's really easy where I don't need to be setting up all my lighting equipment and stuff. So just trying to think of things like that. So little victory, you know, hey, it saved me $10 since I already had the piece, so woohoo! Okay, just finished cleansing my skin, did my hair, threw in some cute little clip-ins today. I did these lavender ones from I&H Hair. I love these clip-ins and all the different ones, but this lavender shade, for some reason, it just has a more fake look to it, kind of plasticky. I don't know, doesn't it? Or is it fine? I still like it, whatever, but just a heads up, it's the only color that I have that looks like that, and I have like 5 of their clip-in little highlight extension thingies that are like this. But anyways, time to go film and put some makeup on my face. Okay, so finished filming my elf video. That's this look, the elf video from earlier this week. And then I also edited most of it because it was my daughter's time to have lunch and she was just hanging out. So I was like, let me edit just as much as I can real quick. And then I now will start to take some Christmas stuff down. We'll see how long I last. This tummy gets very heavy and uncomfortable, so I'll do my best. Wish me luck. Okay, say bye-bye, tree.
Bye-bye.
Let's de-decorate. I know we're sad, but this was a good tree, man. Well, it didn't dry out. I'm sad to take it down, but this is the last week that they are recycling it, so we need to get it out to the curb, but I'm so sad. All right. We'll see you next year. All right. De-decorated. Time to haul her outside. Oh, so sad. Okay, time to take down the mantle, and I really want to find something super cute to do all year round right there because that is just too cute. Gonna do that and then take down a few more things. It's a little tip for next year if you ever need any little tips. These are fresh cut, you know, things from the tree. So when we picked out our fresh tree, my dad was here helping and I had him save the bottom, and I just made these cute little door hanging, and they're just attached with a little bow and on a little command strip there. So I put a few of those on our doors. You've probably seen them behind in my videos, but yeah, just a little tip for next year. It makes it smell really, really good around the house, and I think it looks super cute. Okay, hey. All right, so it's actually a few days later, and I just put you up on my tripod so I don't have to, you know, have a shaky hand, but hi. Okay, so I got really tired the other night when I was putting away all the Christmas stuff and totally spaced on filming a little wrap it up end of vlog thing. So yes, I finished pretty much all of the Christmas decorations. I'm very tired still, and I think the only thing we have left to do is the Christmas village. We got to wrap up that, and I'm going to have my husband, you know, put the Christmas stuff away in the garage, but when he's doing that, I'll have him take down all the stuff from when my daughter was a baby. That way I can see everything because I feel so overwhelmed. I started like doing a list of things that I'm gonna need to get and whatever, and I'm just like, I need to see everything because what do I even have? What is reusable? What isn't? What did I hoard that I shouldn't have? Because I know that there's stuff that I need to buy new things of, and I need to see it all. I'm trying to figure out if I want him to just bring the swing and the bouncer in and just deal with it. Because yeah, it's a little early to have that out, but I just feel like for my own peace of mind, I just need to see everything. So I don't know, we'll decide on that. I'll keep you guys updated. I also did some orders this weekend where I picked up some cute little things here or there for baby since there were so many good deals going on, and I think I'll do maybe like a little baby haul next weekend. I think that might be fun, and we'll talk about that. Hopefully I kind of know things that I need more. I don't know, we'll see. Wish me luck, but this is all helping, being able to see everything now that the Christmas stuff is gone. I can see what I'm working with, but I still gotta figure out this filming situation. I'm gonna film some stuff in my bedroom. I do that every once in a while. You guys really enjoy. Excuse you, Tiga, knocking over stuff. I film in here in my bedroom every once in a while, and you guys seem to really enjoy that. So I think I'll start doing that more to see if I like that, like so that I can decide if I want to just do that and then have all the baby stuff in that room. I don't know. I got things to think about, but thank you so much for joining me in this quick little vlog. Hopefully that was entertaining and gave you some updates about what's going on with me. I'll try to do some, you know, throughout the rest of my pregnancy, sprinkle them in, and you guys can see what's going on with things behind the scenes in my day-to-day life. And yeah, that is what we'll do. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed yet and you made it in this far in this video, you might as well subscribe because you just made it through a whole vlog. And that is it. Thank you again for watching. I think I said that 3 times, but seriously, thank you. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm so tired. Bye.